Hey y'all, so it's Jmonrosa TV with another video. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how I blow dry my hair while doing the tension method. The first thing that I am going to do is separate my hair in half because this section was too big. Alright, now I'm going to comb through it, and the heat protectant that I will be using is the Cantu Thermal Shield heat protectant. Alright, so when doing the tension method, you want to pull your hair and just glide the blow dryer up and down so each strand can get some heat and so your hair can stretch out. So I'm going to do this throughout the whole video, so I'm about to speed up the process. Blow drying my hair. It took an hour and I'm so glad it's done because my back started hurting and everything. So let me take these twists down, and if y'all hold on, let me show you my ends. They're still looking good. Those ends still look good. Shout out to me for taking care of my hair, okay? Yeah. Sometimes you have to encourage yourself. Well, all the time you should. I could cry because it's the growth for me. It's the growth for me. I'm gonna have to link my last video of me flat ironing, blow drying my hair last year. I'm gonna have to link it above so y'all can see the difference, okay? Alright, so the method that I did was the tension method, so I won't get no heat damage like that. And I used the Cantu Thermal Protectant heat protectant, and it works. I haven't got heat damage yet, so yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to Jmonrosa TV. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.